What if I told you, your dream shoe closet doesn't require $1 million renovation? In fact, the perfect shoe organizer can transform your messy pile into a luxury boutique for under $50. But here's the catch: most organizers break, sag, or just don't hold enough. After testing dozens, I've uncovered the top 5 best shoe organizers of 2025, and number 3 is so smart, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Stay tuned, because your closet is about to get a major upgrade. Starting at number 1. Kuject Large Shoe Organizer Storage Boxes. Kuject Large Shoe Organizer Storage Boxes are a great substitute for shoe racks. These stackable containers with lids make it easy to organize shoes and are suitable for women's shoes up to size 12 US and men's shoes up to size 11 US. The transparent design makes it easy to access shoes, and the slot lock design makes stacking easy and stable for space saving. Number 2. SpaceAid Foldable Shoe Organizer. The SpaceAid Shoe Organizer offers an efficient way to store your footwear. With its large capacity, it keeps your shoes upright and neatly organized, saving valuable space in your home. The adjustable dividers allow you to customize the size of each compartment, making it easy to store not just shoes, but also clothing and other items. The clear top lets you quickly see what's inside, so you can grab what you need without digging around. Made from durable materials, this organizer is built to withstand heavier loads, ensuring your shoes stay safe and dust-free. Number 3. C-Spring Large Pack Shoe Storage Box. Maximize your storage space and keep your shoes organized with C-Spring Large 12-Pack Shoe Storage Box. The snap-tight clasp design allows you to create a shoe tower, while the clear front door lets you find the right shoes with ease. Made of sturdy and breathable premium plastic with large rear ventilation holes, these stackable storage bins are perfect for organizing shoes, scarves, books, toys, and games. Each bin fits various types of shoes up to US size 9. Number 4. Whitmor Door Shoe Organizer. The Whitmor 36 pair over-the-door shoe organizer features a mesh-lined back that protects the door from scuffs and prevents shoes from falling out. Its unique metal and mesh design combination optimizes durability and functionality, making it able to store up to 36 pairs of shoes. The assembled dimensions of the shoe organizer are 7.5L x 21.625W x 69.0H inches, and it is easy to assemble with the tools included. Additionally, the shoe rack is made of a durable epoxy-coated frame that provides structure and stability. The over-the-door hooks fit most standard interior doors. Number 5. Amazon Basics Shoe Rack Organizer. The Amazon Basics 50-pair shoe rack organizer is a freestanding, 10-tiered, chrome-finished metal rack designed to keep your shoes organized. It measures 35.8 by 14.6 by 59.5 inches and features a portable, rolling design with locking wheels, making it easy to move and store in your room or closet. So, which shoe organizer are you grabbing? Let me know in the comments below. If this video saved your closet and your sanity, do me a favor, smash that like button. It helps more people find this life-changing advice. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell, because next week, I'm revealing the secret storage hack professional organizers don't want you to know. All the best shoe organizers? Linked in the description below. See you in the next one. Happy organizing!